Welcome to this detailed step-by-step tutorial where I will guide you on how to create a stunning double invisible fishtail braid on locs finished with a sleek rope twist. This style not only showcases intricate technique but also beautifully highlights color and tips for an elegant finish. Let's dive into the process and explore every detail together. I started by separating the loc strands to prepare for the braiding process. This step is crucial because it ensures clean sections and paves the way for a neat braid. My end goal is to create a double invisible fishtail braid running down to the back. Now let's start braiding. First, I picked one loc strand from the left side. Next, I moved to the right, picking another strand, crossing it under the first strand and flipping it over back to the right side. This creates the foundation for our braid. Moving forward, I picked a third loc strand from the left outer hinge, crossing it under to the right, then flipping it over to the center to incorporate into the left section. From there, I moved to the right outer hinge, picking another strand, crossing it under the braid to the left, flipping it over to the center and incorporating it into the right section. At this point, you will notice the braid starts to take shape and stabilize. Here comes the fun part. To add more intricacy, I started incorporating a finger eight motion. This finger eight technique gives the braid a seamless flow while keeping the sections closely blended. The invisible fishtail braid, also called the hidden or blended fishtail braid, is a refined twist on the classic fishtail braid, known for its smooth, seamless appearance. Unlike a traditional fishtail braid, where each section stands out distinctly, the invisible version is crafted to blend each segment closely, creating a soft, cohesive texture. This technique gives an illusion of flowing, intertwined strands, resulting in an understated, elegant look that's ideal for both casual and formal styles. Now, the only distinctive technique that differentiates the invisible fishtail braid from other braids, that is the visible fishtail braid and the classic fishtail braid, is that it doesn't allow loc strands to be maneuvered in any other way other than letting the loc strands to pass underneath the braided section. Now, as I continued, I noticed that one side of the braid was building up more than the other. This often happens when one section has more loc strands than the other, especially if the braid lands closer to one side. To fix this, I reduced the left section by 2 strands, crossing them carefully under to the right without disrupting the braid's overall structure. After balancing the sections, I reinforced the incorporation by drawing another finger eight with previous strand. This strand was crossed over and back to the center where it joined the left section. It's all about maintaining symmetry and flow as you progress. From this point onwards, I continued the braid by picking loc strands from the outer edges, crossing them under the braid and into the opposite section. I adhered closely to the finger eight pattern, ensuring the strands blended seamlessly. With the sections appearing almost hidden, this braid brings sophisticated and intricate vibe without being overly bold or pronounced. Now, there are basics that you need to take into place whenever you are handling this technique in order to achieve a blended outcome. Creating an invisible fishtail braid on locs requires precision and attention to detail to achieve a smooth blended outcome. So starting by properly sectioning the locs to ensure even distribution, which forms a balanced foundation for the braid. Use small, consistent strands from each side to maintain symmetry, and apply even tension throughout the process to prevent gaps or irregularities. Neat and clean sections are essential for a polished finish. Focus on the incorporation technique by crossing each strand under the braid and flipping it over to the center before blending it into the opposite section. This finger head motion is the key to creating the seamless, flowing effect characteristic of an invisible fishtail braid. Regularly monitor the buildup of locs in each section to ensure balance, adjusting as needed without disrupting the braid's overall structure. For a cohesive and polished look, gently pull the hinges of the completed braid to slightly loosen and widen it, enhancing its blended appearance. By following these steps, you will achieve an elegant and versatile braid, perfect for showcasing the natural beauty of the locs. As I moved to the left section, I mirrored the technique, keeping it symmetrical to the right side. Remember, the goal is to create a true identical fishtail braids that balance beautifully while also showcasing the color and tips at the back for handed flair. Consider liking my work, comment, and keep sharing to your friends. And you can as well join my virtual classes for in-depth tuition as pertains to dreadlocks maintenance and styling techniques. I'm maintaining consistent tension throughout the braid so that I can enable the braid to have that seamless appearance all through. Once the double fishtail braids were completed, I moved on to finish the loose color and tips. For this, I used a rope twist technique, which not only secures the hands but also adds distinct texture to the style. Rope twisting the hanging strands brought everything together, creating a polished and cohesive look. The color and tips played a significant role here, adding a contrast and drawing attention to the braid's intricate details. Once the braid is completed, gently tug along the hinges to widen it slightly, enhancing fullness and emphasizing the soft woven effect. This final step gives the braid a broader, more sophisticated finish, perfect for locs and natural texture that highlights the intricate details. And there you have it, the double invisible fishtail braid finished with a sleek rope twist. This style is perfect for special occasions like wedding or formal events, but it's also versatile enough for everyday statement look. The combination of hidden braiding, finger eight technique, and highlighted colored tips creates a truly unique and elegant hairstyle. If you're looking for a braid that stands out while showcasing the beauty of the locs, this is definitely one to try. Here is a sneak peek of the sister visible fishtail braid, a style from previous tutorial. This hairdo stands out with its pronounced structure and stunning barrel roll crown finish that blends seamlessly, creating a fishtail illusion at the front. For beginners and anyone curious about the difference between the visible and invisible fishtail braid techniques, visit my channel for the full tutorial. You will gain a deeper understanding of both styles and how to master their unique braiding methods. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see how you personalize and recreate this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative loc tutorials. See you in the next one.